everyone. If you are looking for a video tutorial about how to edit opening soon banner text on password page, then you just need to continue watching this video because I can assure you that here in this video you will learn a lot of things. So let's proceed and I'll teach you the step-by-step process. Let's start. The first thing that we need to do is, of course, we need to log in to our Shopify store account. And when you are already here, select one of your store and open that one. Here on your Shopify dashboard or store is we are going to click on the online store in the left side. And there we are just going to wait. Here in the themes, click the customize button. And right at the top, click the home page and then scroll down first and select others. Right here, we're going to see the password. Click that one. And as you can see, here is my banner. The way that we are going to edit this one is you can click one of these content or text maybe if you want to edit. For example, this opening soon, if you want to edit that, you just need to remove the text and replace that sentence with the word that you want. For example, for me, I'm going to type the best store. And after that, you can also select the heading size. If you want small, large, or medium, you can choose anything you want. And the second thing that we can edit is this one, the paragraph. As it says here, be the first to know when we launch. You can change that one or replace that one with whatever you want or whatever you desire. Like for example, I am going to type will be launched soon. And that paragraph, you can also edit that if you want to make it bold. Then highlight the whole sentence and click the letter B. Or if you want to make it italic, then click the letter I. And if you want to insert link here, you can paste the link right here or search. And after that, you just go back and you can also edit the text style if you want body or subtitle. Let me show you. Here are the subtitle and here are the body. And after that, just click the back and if there's something that you want to edit, you're going to click that one and you will be able to edit. After all the changes that you made, hit the save button. And after that, we can go back and let's see if it really works on us. We're just going to search for our store and this is what looked like before. We just need to go back to our Shopify dashboard or store, then go to the settings. And right here in the settings, copy our URL. After copying that, go to your search bar and paste the URL. And you're just going to put slash password at the end. After that, search for that. And here it is. This is the looks of the banner now. I hope this video helps you a lot and if yes, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.